DeLuca here. All right, today I'm going to be doing another of the glow roses because I had a lot of requests, and the ones that I made seemed to go over very well, and a couple of them sold while they were still wet. That's always fun. But I'm going to be using the Arteza pouring acrylic colors. The way these came out was so perfect with the consistency and the way that they worked together, the way that they blended, and they didn't get a lot of accidental cells. So it worked very well. And those paints, you can find the link to those in the description box below, and there actually should be a link, a code, discount code, that's the word I'm looking for. All right, before I get to that, let me show you these. If you've seen this already, you can fast forward to the good stuff, the painting part. If you haven't seen this, this is the good stuff. What we have are the Fluid Art Inspiration cards. Each card is associated with a technique. Well, there's 42 techniques, and there is a video that is associated with it if you want to learn how to do it. There's a color palette for each technique, and there's also these two boxes. This one has a little tip in it, but these two boxes are meant to go together as a 2-color pour, or you can add another color to it. And then there are 8 bonus color palette cards, each with 5 color palettes. You can use all the colors. You can just choose a few of the colors and add black or white or silver or gold, whatever you choose. But when you're having that moment where you're stumped, what colors should I do? I keep doing the same colors all the time, which was a habit that I go through cycles, I think. I obsess over certain colors. It was peacocks for a while, and then it was opals. But available at my website, ginadeluca.net. All right, I've got my Lazy Susan, and I'm going to put some paint in my cup. I will start with I should tell you what they are. I have vermilion red, neon orange, carnation pink, and mid yellow. And I will be putting them in that order. Carnation pink, and then yellow. All right, let's see what happens. Now I'm going to go alternating directions and try to get that bud. Okay, I never breathe when I do ring pours. Just gonna roll this about a bit. For me, I find that the rolling like that works better for a ring pour than it does for when you're going for cells, at least with my experience and luck. I'm going to cover these corners as much as I can to make it easier. So I'll do some of the yellow. I had way too much coffee today. Holy moly. I'd be a great surgeon as long as I didn't drink coffee and pass out at the sight of blood. Normally I have a very steady hand. Okay. Okay, well, everyone has turned out completely different. Isn't that how the fluid art goes? Okay, I'm gonna clean up and then I will bring you in for the close-up and the blacklight reveal. Okay, here it is. Starting to dry, you can see on the edges. So, you know, I didn't quite nail it. My hands were very shaky. Very, very shaky today. But it's probably a combination of allergy medicine and coffee. But let's see what this looks like under the blacklight, shall we? Okay, here it is under the blacklight. Looking groovy. I do love the way these things look under a blacklight. Even when I feel kind of about it. I look at it under a blacklight and I'm like, that's so cool. It looks like fire. Very, very groovy. Okay, so there you have it. Another rose attempt. I will keep trying for the perfect rose until I get it. I'm telling you, I get obsessive about things. But in the meantime, hope you enjoyed. Please like and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. Do check out the description box below for links to my PayPal tip jar and my Venmo tip jar if you feel so inclined. It is greatly appreciated, not expected, but very, very appreciated. Also is the Amazon link. Anything you purchase of the entire site of Amazon, I will receive a small commission of at no additional cost to you if you enter through the link in the description box. You can also just Google Amazon Gina DeLuca and my page should show up. You just have to enter through that. And my website, ginadeluca.net, where you can find my art and music and the Fluid Art inspiration cards available for purchase. Our group, Go Make Some Art. Join us there. Post your masterpieces. Ask your questions. Get some inspiration. All of that can be found in the description box below. And also, I believe I have a link or a code to get these paints a little cheaper. So you can use the links in the description box and use the code and save some bucks. Okay, that's it. I hope y'all have a beautiful day. Now go make some art.